Guys, welcome to this channel. I'm going to be showing you a live chart on GBP JPY. If you have actually been on this trade, you will notice that the market has been stuck in a zone. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be showing you on this live trade. This is a weekly time frame. Now you can actually check it out after watching this video and understand what the market is doing. Okay, this is better off. Okay, now we have this here. What can we see here? Let's take it backward and see a break of structure here. A break of structure which clearly indicates that the market is bullish. Okay, all of this has been ranging, and from here we had a break of structure here. Now, one of the reasons I like to do analysis from the weekly or monthly is that you see the chart clearly. Okay, unlike when you go to 4 hours. See the way 4 hours is, it's as if there's opportunity everywhere. Okay, but when you are with the weekly, daily is cool, but I think weekly is better off. Okay, that way you are able to understand what price is doing and to stay profitable on your game. So this is it here, a break of structure, and let's see forward if there was another break. Okay, now this is where our interest is. This is where price is. Now I want to show you the last thing the market did. This was a push up. This also took out liquidity here. So money is here. If we go to the line chart, we're going to be seeing that that zone is a very valid zone. Can you see it? That this zone is very valid. Let me zoom out. This zone is very valid. This zone is very valid, because why? It broke structure and it took out liquidity. Not only that, it actually left us with a fair value gap. All this gap here needs to be filled. When price zoomed out, it broke out structure here. It did not give a pullback here. It just continued moving up. Now let's see what I'm saying so that you get a clear picture of what I mean. This pullback started from here. Okay, it started from here to the upside. Okay, can see something like this. Can you see? This pullback started to the upside. Now all year money was sitting here because the market was supposed to break structure and come back here, tap into this place and continue up, but it didn't do so. Anytime the market does something like this, a break of structure without coming back to this zone, it means it's going to be coming back to it in the future. Okay, or what it's doing is continuing going to the upside. Okay, so now let's understand where we are. Okay, now we are going to be doing something. Since we have a break of structure and the market did not come back to that zone anymore, here's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be marking that zone as our key area. Yes, yeah. Now, I know a lot of folks are going to be paying attention to this week here, but this week came down. Well, we will not use analysis based on week. I think the body of the candle should be helpful to us, more better off. So if we go to line chart, you can see that our area of value is valid. Okay, so let's continue. Let me show you what the price is doing here. So the first thing, like I said, we saw a break of structure here, a break of structure here, and the market left a gap for us. Meaning, now one of the things I said about my old videos is that price will always leave clue. Success always leaves clue. What that means is that the smart money guys, they always leave clue for you to know that this is where you're going to be coming back to. Now your ability to spot that zone is what gives you an edge in the market. And what's that zone? The zone is fair value gap, liquidity sweep. Fair value gap was created after the break of structure. So stay calmly. June is going to be massively great. I hopefully you're looking at June. It's going to be massively great. Okay, so we had that push up and the move came back down. This is where people were buying. It came up here again and it has been in this range ever since, weeks upon weeks. What this means in this weekly is that one candle is being formed per week. So it has been here for a very long time. And what the price do? It came to this other block here. Okay, and then it moved up. It might likely slide back down and come back here. This is what we're expecting it to come to. When it gets here, it drops back down to this other block. Then from here, we can now spot our entry to start riding price to the upside. Whichever this works, please, if you haven't subscribed again, please, I'd like you to do so. Leave a comment in the section below so you can be the first to know whenever we drop a content like this. And also, if you like me to be sharing content about live video, I'd like you to actually type live videos there in the comment section so we know the kind of video that are what helpful. Now, one thing I need you to do for me now is to go live into your chart on the MT5 and check this thing out. But before you do so, we have been hosting a free training on prop trading account. It has come to our notice that a lot of traders are having issues in terms of prop trading, prop firm trading, passing the challenge and also getting funded. Some managed to pass through the first phase, but they are unable to pass to the second phase, or some pass through the second phase, get funded, but because of the excitement, they lose in the money back and losing their entire capital they use in buying the prop trading account. So what we'll be doing is we'll be recommending the right prop trading firm for you to go for. There are a lot of scammers out there, and the next one is we're going to be teaching you how prop firm trading is going to be advancing your trading career. One of the things my mentor told me was that go for prop firm trading. Okay, I went for it and it has been tremendously helpful to my career. It really did great work in fixing my thinking and fixing a lot of things. Okay, now they say some of them are, we're going to be teaching about the 5% drawdown, 10% drawdown overall, and also the 5 minimum trading days. We'll explain each of it one after the other. There's equally a book available for it that will help you become profitable in your trading career. So I'd like to see you all in the training. The link to the group is going to be on the description of this video. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you access to one-on-one tutorial with me. It's a free class. Even after the challenge, even after the class, you can actually throw up your progress in the prop trading and firm, the account you're trading with. You can actually keep updating us on how to go about it. Ask questions often. So it's kind of like a walkway. I'm going to be guiding you step by step on how you can pass the account, not just pass the two phases, but also get funded and start receiving payouts. Okay, and start receiving payouts. So if that's the challenge you've been having, you can actually join the training. The training is you're going to be meeting other traders that are actually good. So you know one thing about blending and meeting with other traders that are actually into the same field, it makes your learning become very fast and you're able to achieve a lot in a short period of time. Okay, so I think that will be all for this course. But before I turn out this recording, let's check something on 1 hour that I'm thinking might likely happen. Okay, you know, 1 hour is very difficult for it to fail. There's something I'm seeing here that might likely happen. Though it's a low probability, but it might likely happen. This is it here. That two, this here is a fair value gap. So the market I'm expecting, since it has taken up this high, might likely come back here and go up. But nevertheless, why I'm saying so is because of this double bottom here. Yes, that's what I'm saying so. And second of all, this double bottom here did not take out a good liquidity. It gave us an order block too here, which led to a break of structure. If we check it on the 4 hours, we'll see it clearly. Okay, this is it here. This is the break of structure I was talking about. So this happens to be a liquidity, and this market I'm expecting might sweep out this liquidity here because this is looks like a trend line and come down here. I'm expecting it to come here before going up. So nevertheless, we never know which of them of the other block that the market might likely respect. And also what I'm pointing out here is liquidity sweep needs to be swept, and because there's a fair value gap here. Like I said, the institutions knows how to leave cues and for successful traders to actually get involved. So this is what I'm looking at too. Second order block, first order block. Okay, that'll be all for this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.